Hello students. So we have survived a couple weeks here of this class. I know some of you have had a few technical difficulties. I haven't experienced too many of them, but I do know it's frustrating when that happens. So if you're having some technical difficulties, I just want to encourage you to call the MindTap technical support and make them earn their money for the product that you bought. So I am working, there is a tab on the MindTap Classroom that says technical support. I tried to click on that and there is an error message that comes up on their end. So I have contacted them and asked them to address that. So hopefully that will be resolved soon. But most of you were able to get the Sophie response loaded, which was just practice. You had great content and it was so fun to see you in the classroom, which that's why I like this product, is I do get to see you other than just what you're typing. And it's so important for me to see how you respond to things in this techniques class. So that's fantastic. You're going to do another one of those this week, and it is an actual response to a student or client issue. And that is called the Erica upload video, and it is a little bit, probably will take you out of your comfort zone, that one. And so that's kind of designed on purpose. So you might want to take a look at that and kind of think a little bit about how you feel about that situation and then how to respond appropriately based on the readings that you've done. So we are moving into this attending kind of module, and this is how you present to your person what you notice. You'll see in the reading, that information, and then there is an upload on there of a good example of attending and a bad example, which is one of the authors of this textbook showing that to you. So I want you to watch that so you can kind of see what is good and what is not so good. So you can do that in your video response, the good stuff. So that will be graded on the rubric that's on that. And I think it's worth 60 points. It's worth 60 points. So, and again, this is our first attempt at something graded with a video response. So if you have any trouble, let me know. To this point, we should have, I'm looking at the schedule and the grades here. You should have done an introduction on the discussion board, a quiz for chapter 1, and then that multicultural response, the coming out response, that also was graded. That was worth 10 points. So this week you have the video response to Erica, and you have a discussion board on selective attending. And that is just a straight discussion board. I don't think you should have any difficulties with that. It's kind of just seeing which way you would take that conversation. There's lots of ways to respond to it, so there's really no right or wrong. It's just how you would take that conversation, and then you can see how others would. So, all right, I think that's all I have this week. Keep those videos coming, and any questions, post to that discussion board for general questions. I'll check that. And again, if you're having trouble with MindTap, I really encourage you to contact them, or also use those tutorials that's under that MindTap Start Here button. So thanks, guys, and talk to you later. Have a great week. Bye-bye.